Lead-acid batteries are commonly used in various applications such as automotive vehicles, ininterruptible power supplies, UPS, backup power systems, and emergency lighting. However, these batteries pose significant environmental hazards if not properly managed at the end of their life cycle. Our lead-acid battery recycling equipment provides an efficient solution to address this environmental challenge. The recycling process begins by carefully disassembling the batteries, which involves cutting the casing to release the acid solution. Next, the lead plates are separated from the plastic casing. The recovered lead plates can be smelted into ingots for reuse, while the plastic and collected acid solution undergo further treatment for safe disposal or reuse. Our comprehensive lead-acid battery recycling equipment ensures the effective recovery of valuable materials while adhering to environmental standards. Interested parties can consult us to learn more about our turnkey recycling solutions and equipment offerings.